I was worried. The storm is getting worse.
I know. I came as fast as I could.
What did you find out there?
Trouble. We need to talk.
This rain is magical, isn't it?
It is. And being here with you makes it perfect.
I could stay here forever.
Me too.
I love how the rain sounds from in here.
It's peaceful. I could stay like this forever.
Me too. The forest is so peaceful today.
It is. Even the birds are coming back.
And the light drips. It's magical.
Just like you.
The fire is perfect for cooking these.
Yeah, let's turn them slowly.
They're sizzling so nicely.
Almost ready. The smell is amazing.
I can't wait to taste them.
This one is ready for the pot.
Almost done with this one.
Now for the carrots.
I'll get the potatoes. It's a lovely breeze today.
It is. Makes the work easier.
Could you pass me another shirt?
Of course. Here you go.
It's so beautiful out here at the end of the day.
It really is. The light is perfect.
Let's keep going. I love this.
Me too. Onward we go.